Okay, this is going to be number 70 in the packet. Number 70 was requested along with a bunch of others. So I'll be making videos for a bunch. So you guys are getting kind of a nice break here. But let's talk about number 70. It says the ratio of the volume of two spheres is 8:27. What is the ratio of the lengths of the radii of these two spheres? So basically speaking, when they say the ratio of the volume of two spheres, that means you have two spheres and the volume of one divided by the volume of the other gives you this fraction 8/27. Now, in order to get anything from that, you need to know the volume of the formula for the volume of a sphere. So that is 4/3 pi r cubed, right? The volume of one sphere divided by the volume of another, you get the ratio of 8/27. So it wants to know the ratio of the lengths of the radii. So in order to do that, you would need to be able to find the radii and then divide them. That's what a ratio is. A ratio is just one thing divided by another. So in these formulas, everything basically cancels out. But because we're looking for the lengths of the radii, that's the only variable in this question. We can just focus specifically on the radii. So we're left with r cubed is 8 and r to the third is 27, right? Now that is nice for us because both 8 and 27 are perfect cubes. They did this question so that that would happen. So if 8 is r cubed, that means that r in the first volume, the first sphere is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then for the second sphere, the volume is 27. So the radius cubed would be 3 times 3 times 3. So the radius of the first sphere has to be 2. The radius of the second sphere has to be 3, which means the ratio of those radii is 2:3. So you cancel out everything that's not important. You get the radii of each one, and then the radius of each one, and then you divide. And that was number 70. So let's again, I like to make sure 70, 2:3, 2/3, same concept. Pretty easy. So set up your formulas, divide, cancel anything out that doesn't match, and then just calculate the radii. I'll do another video for a bunch more. I have several, probably 3 or 4 more videos coming soon. So